Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be working more on our story. We are setting the scene today. So remember that the setting is where your story takes place. And you kind of thought about this yesterday when you were drawing the picture of your character, because part of your scene was in the background behind your character. Today you're going to show us a scene from your setting. So if you're at the beach, you're going to have the whole beach. You're going to have the water, the sand, the sun, the clouds. Maybe you have a dolphin fin sticking out of the water. Maybe you're at a lake and not an ocean. So you're going to have not a dolphin fin sticking out of the water. Maybe you're at a park, so you might see a swing set or a slide or a merry-go-round. Maybe you are at a store. Maybe you are at the movie theater. Maybe you're at your house. Are you inside your house or are you outside your house? I want to see lots of details in your pictures that tell me where you are. I should be able to look at your picture and just know exactly where I am. Maybe I won't know that it's your house, but I'll be like, okay, I know that I am in a house and this looks like the living room. Or I am in a house and this looks like the kitchen. Or I know I'm at a house, but I'm outside the house and this is what the outside of the house looks like. They have a trampoline in the side yard. They have a pool in the backyard. I can see all of those details, okay? So I want you to take your time with your drawing, start with a pencil, and then go through and add your color afterwards. You don't have to write the problem that your character might run into because you did that yesterday, but today I do want you to do the solution. I would like you to write the solution. How is your character going to solve their problem? So yesterday I said, one of my problems as I was talking about going to the gym was I forgot my water bottle. The gym has drinking fountains that I could get a drink from. The gym also has some drinks in a cooler that you can purchase, so I could also buy a water bottle. Or I could just go thirsty and wait until I get home. There was other bigger problems. Oh, my car wouldn't start. How would I solve that problem? Well, I would call Mr. Wrenchler and I would wait until he got home to look at it. But after he looks at it, we have some suggestion, or we have some ideas of what might be wrong. Then we start fixing it. Maybe I forgot my shoes. Well, I probably have to turn around and go back home and grab my shoes because I'm not going to stop and just buy a brand new pair of shoes. Also, I do go to the gym early before school, and most places are not open that sell shoes. So how is your character going to solve their problem? The problem that you had yesterday from your Meet Your Character page, you said what problem might your character run into? How are they going to solve their problem today? All right. Happy writing.